This just arrived and you are going to be very surprised what I picked up. So let's do a true unboxing of this item. I did not get ready. It just arrived like maybe half an hour ago. So, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. It was a little bit of an impulse purchase, I have to admit. But once I show you what it is, try not to fast forward. You know what I mean? Try not to fast forward. Here's the story out. I saw it and oh my gosh, I just took the plunge. You can see there are some Japanese words. This is from Japan and I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I am praying a few things. Firstly, there's no smell. It looks as good as the videos that were sent to me, and or at least, I don't know, I'm just hoping for the best, okay? Because you know, videos can be deceiving. The feeling, the touch can also be deceiving. I'm so nervous. It feels okay. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's actually in really good condition. It doesn't feel like dry, like it's been, you know, sitting for too long. There is obviously wear, and then obviously there is like, I can't tell. Wait. Okay, obviously there is the staining on the bag. Yeah, I can see like it's a little bit like, it's not like white, it's a bit pinky because of it is the original, oh, I didn't say what bag it is. It is the Petite Noe Murakami. So it has the red interior, and this interior is, yeah, it's you know, it has been notorious or infamous for creating stains. There's no smell. There's no musky smell. There's none of that. It's really clean. There's no tears. Okay, I'm just gonna inspect the whole bag first. Oh, the paperwork is here as well. I can't tell what date code that is. That's like, it looks like 2161 or something. Basically the 25th or 26th week of 2011. So this bag is 14 years old. For a 14-year-old bag, it's decent. Okay, it's really decent. The strap is, yeah, it's really decent. I mean, there's some water stains. Yeah, and then there's a little bit of a water stain at the bottom. Oh my gosh, guys, I've been waiting to get a Petite Noe. And I wanted the black, but because you know of the stains on the white one, and you know that issue of the interior, but obviously the white is much prettier. Wait. I'm so excited. Let's take a look. What do you think? Does it suit my vibe? Okay, so let's talk about it. I saw this on Atlantis, Tokyo, and they just moved into another store. I think they renovated their place, and I went there, I saw it, but they didn't see this bag. I actually texted them a few months before I went to Japan. His name is Yuji, and I asked Yuji if he could source this bag for me, and my budget was like maybe about 2005 for a good one in black. but they haven't seen one for a long time. So anyway, fast forward to a week ago, they opened a new store and I saw a few of these bags and I was like, hey, you have one. And when I saw the pictures, I already knew there is the color staining, which is like here at the pocket. It's actually, it's redder in real life. Okay, it's redder in real life. But it's something that I sort of accepted because of this, this terrible, like, why did they use this maroon? Like the lipstick, right? Why did they use this? So they had this staining on the two pockets. And okay, so on the pictures, the stain on the front is not obvious, but in real life, the stain is. So it's like a slight hue of pink. Here's another look of the bag. So here you can see the staining on the pocket. But I think I can't, you know what? My eyes are like playing on me because I thought I saw some stains here, but there isn't, just a little bit at the top. But I don't see any on the bag. Just because it's older, I guess, it just looks not as bright white. Okay, there's a little bit of dirt there. I need to rub that off. And yeah, so this is the bag. I actually don't care about the stain because this is an old bag and I've been wanting to get a Petite Noe bag. I was really contemplating on buying the monogram one online again, but the price has gone up so much and I just didn't want to pay that price twice. So when I saw this bag at Atlantis, overall the condition is okay other than the stains, right? So other than the discoloration, I texted them on their IG, and when I texted them, if you buy it online or through them, he actually gave me an additional 10% off. They covered the shipping, they covered the, well, if there's any customs or duties, because it's old bag, so there's probably no customs or duties. Then, so everything was covered, just the price. So I paid, after conversion, 1,800 plus, about 850, so let's say 1,009. And I think it's great. It just comes with the bag. Obviously, it comes with this. And I totally intend to trash this bag. I totally do not want to baby this bag. And I'm glad that it's kind of used, because now I'm just going to just dig it out and use. I do have to be careful with my things because of the interior. I will, use baggies, be careful to put my white things inside. Yeah, just be careful overall. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. If I were to buy the Petite Noe, the monogram version that's online now, if I get that version, the strap's different. So this strap is something that's worth keeping because it's this thicker strap. You can extend it, you can lengthen it, and because it's already so soft. Oh, I'm so excited. So anyway, this is my new to me Petite Noe Murakami bag, which is 14 years old, overall great condition, and I got it from UG from Atlantis, Tokyo. I'll leave the link to their site down below as well as their IG. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. It's really, really pretty. Yay! All right, let me know if you want me to do a review of the Petite Noe, but this is an old bag. There are so many better reviews out there. You will definitely be seeing me use this. I'm going to use this today. Yes, I'm going to use it today. No, not today. Tomorrow. I'll use it tomorrow. No, I don't know. I'm not going out. Anyway, I'm definitely going to be using it. Anyway, I'm going to play around with this bag. If you found this video to be fun and you enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. Otherwise, everyone, please take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!